Hey guys, so I filmed a video of how to get my kind of everyday curls, very messy, beachy, kind of rough curls, I guess. So if you're interested in watching, keep on watching. Thanks. So first I washed my hair with the Color Extend Brown Lights blue toning shampoo from Redken, just to help with some of the brassiness. Then I blow dried and put Restore Perfecting Spray in my hair, and then I use the Living Proof Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate. This is for if you have any damage in your hair. It's really nice. So first, I plugged in my curling iron. Today I'm using a 1.5 inch curling iron. This is the Ion brand curling iron. These are my favorite curling irons right now. So I sectioned my hair how I want to wear it, and then I'm gonna section kind of a big piece at the bottom. I always start from bottom to top, and yeah, I'm just gonna comb my hair. So I'm gonna spray Living Proof's Heat Styling Spray. The smell of this smells so good. Spray it on this section. Then I'm gonna take my wet brush, comb through to make sure all the pieces get saturated with heat protecting spray. And then I'm gonna take a piece that's about 1 inch. I'm gonna grab my curling iron. I'm gonna curl it so these pieces are away from my face. I'm gonna let the curl go out a little bit and then pull through the end and let it sit like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna curl this one away from my face. That's it for a second. Pull it through and straighten out the ends. Try not to comb through your hair. I know it's very tempting, but just let it cool with the curl. And the pieces around your face, you're gonna wanna curl, the pieces that are around your face, you're gonna wanna curl away from your face. Okay. And then you're gonna drop your next piece of hair. I'll show you this side and then I'll fast forward on the other side. So again, I'll show you the pieces away from my face because that's probably the most complicated one. Let the top part come out and then straighten out the ends. This one I'm gonna curl towards my face. I like my curls to be really messy, so I'm not too concerned about sectioning. If you like more of a clean look, I would take cleaner sections. Sorry, that's my dog, Lucy, trying to say hi. So yeah, sits like that. Try to leave your curls Now there's Hallie trying to say hi too. They must know I'm trying to film a YouTube video. Let out the front, let it sit, and then pull through the ends. This piece I'm gonna be curling away, towards my face. And see, this piece here I don't really like how I curled it. So I'm gonna go back over and just kind of smooth it out. I have naturally really curly hair, so I find if I don't smooth it out properly at first, I get all these weird kinks. This one I'm gonna curl away from my face. Let the top part pull out and then straighten out the bottom. And you don't want to let your curling iron sit on your hair for that long, especially if you have a higher heat setting on your curling iron. You don't really need it. I usually spray the back pieces twice, just because my hair is coarser in the back and I just want it to smooth out as much as possible. So this one I'm gonna do towards my face. The top part fall out and then straighten out the end. Now I'm going into my top layer. Spray some heat protectant, comb it out. This one I'm curling towards my face, and the other piece I'm gonna curl away. So like that, let the top piece out, straighten out the bottom. If you notice I go and I straighten out my root, again, it's just because I have naturally curly hair. So I'm just trying to make the top part look a little smoother. My bangs, I always curl away from my face. I usually try to do it in a smaller piece, just so I have more control over it. There you go. So that's the one side. I'm gonna do the other side, fast forward it, and then I'll show you how I comb it out at the end. So after you've waited a couple minutes for both sides to kind of cool off and set, you're gonna take a very wide tooth comb and you're gonna start at the bottom and you're gonna comb out your curls a little bit. So it looks a little bit more voluminous at the root. Gives it more of that bedhead feel. And there you go. That's how I curl my hair. It was really fast. I like it really messy, really wavy. And yeah, thanks for watching.